Hello, my name is Nevis and I'm going to be not only your presenter for this week for the Board Games Week, but on the TESOL Evo sessions, but I will also be the moderator for this week, or the chief moderator, because we will also be moderating all the weeks in this 5-week session of the Evo sessions this year. So, about my week. My week, the Board Games Week, what will we do? We will be reading some theory, discussing that theory in a forum. Then we will be creating our own board game using an online tool, and then I will also share with you my own digital board game template and allow you to modify that and share that with us in the forum itself. And also then I will be requesting you to make a very short video of your experience in my week on using the Flipgrid app, and sharing your links and information and details that you've collated this week in a specific wakelet that you will be sharing with everyone, and we will all be able to follow each other's wakelets. With that said, I look forward to meeting you all in the Board Games Week, but in general, in the Teaching EFL to Young Learners Evo Session 2021. See you soon.